Hey, what's up YouTube? So this is my first video. Hi. So what I'm doing today is I'm turning my blonde hair into a light blonde copper, and for that I am using the brand Igora Royal, and I'm creating a formula which is 8-77 with color 9-7, and basically this is just an extra light blonde copper, and the other color is light blonde copper extra. It's almost the same, and I'm putting a dash of 077, which is copper concentrated. Before I go ahead and start, I just want to let you guys know that I am not a professional. I do seek advice from a professional. I do my own research and things work out for me. Whatever works best for you. Alright guys, I did apply overnight coconut oil. It's a little bit damaged and dry. We'll see if that coconut oil does not mess up the color procedure of my hair. I already went ahead and used half of one of the tubes, 9-7, and half of 8-7, and then a little bit of 0-7-7. And I'm going to start with a 30 volume peroxide. That's because I'm going to start with my roots first, and I wanted to lift 2 extra shades since my roots are a little bit darker. So that's what I'm using for my roots. Okay, you guys, so this is how my formula on my hair turned out to look. This is on wet hair. You can see on the roots it looks like a little bit darker, and then by the mid ends it looks like a strawberry blonde. I mean, this is just on the inside with my lighting. We'll see how it looks outside and when it's dry. I also want to share that I did use the OhMG treatment, the shampoo, the 2-minute keratin reconstructor, and also the balancing moisturizer. So that's what I use on my hair to wash it off. Guys, are you guys loving it as much as I am? So this is the how it ended up looking dry, and I am loving it, you guys. So if you like it, please subscribe or comment below if you have any questions. Alright.